This is a channel for growing flowers and vegetables. Welcome. Share today how to grow loofah at home. It doesn't take much space. You can grow 2 baskets of loofah. Enough to eat this summer. Here's how I do it. Prepare 4 used tires. Do it like me. Fix it with a cable tie. Beautiful and strong. Double protection on the intranet at home. The planting soil must be loose and breathable. I still use coconut bran and cloud puja rice husk. After sufficient mixing, it is ready to use. This is a good loofah seedling cultivated in advance. Now transplant them in. Just wait patiently after watering. Take advantage of this gap to set up the loofah rack. These bamboo poles and wooden strips were used in the previous year. It can still be used. Just poke and tie. A simple loofah bracket is set up. Start fertilizing after a week. After 2 weeks, the growth rate further accelerates. 3 weeks later, loofah vines crawl over the bracket. There are also small yellow flowers blooming one after another. After 42 days, the loofah began to bear fruit. This is so beautiful. I didn't expect a place the size of a palm can also produce so many loofah. If you also like growing vegetables, then try this method quickly. Today's sharing is here. If you like it, remember to follow it. Retweets and likes.